Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss a topic related to multiplication of number 11. You know number 11 is a magical number. So when we multiply 11 by some other number, we will get the answer in seconds of time. Let's see how it works. Okay, we'll start. See, first question I am taking here. First question I am taking here, 77 into 11. See, you start from this side, 7, you write as it is. Next 7 plus 8. Next 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. So we write 4 here, 1 carry forward. 7 plus 1, 8. So 8. 847 is the 11 into 77. If you want, you can check in the calculator as well. So this is a magical number. As I told you, it takes seconds of time to calculate any number with 11. I hope you got it. Next number we are going to take 538 into 11. Now we are taking 3-digit number. We can say 3 decimal number. See how we are calculating. You start from here. First number you write 8 as it is. Add 8 to this next number 3, that is 11. 1 we write here. 1 is a carry forward number. Next 3 plus 5. How much? 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9. Next number 5 with nothing is there here. So you assume that there is a 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. Isn't it a magic? In fraction of seconds we have done it. Next we take 4-digit number, that is 6893 into 11. So we take 3 as it is, write 3 as it is. Next this 3 and 9. 3 and 9 is 12. So 1 here, 12, 2 here and 1 is a carry forward one. Next this 9 plus 18, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. So this one is done. 1 is a carry forward one. 18 means 8. We write here 1 here. Next number 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So we write 5 here. This 6 is also done. 5. Next this last number 6 plus 1, 7. Here nothing is there. So 7 here we write. Isn't it a magic? See, within fraction of seconds we have done this one. 6893 into 11. 8 write as it is 8. This 8 plus 2 is 10. Write 0 here. 1 is a carry forward one. This 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. 1 is a carry forward one. 10 we write. So 0 here, 1 here. Next this 7 plus 8. 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So we write 16 here, 1 here. This one is also done. Next one 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. So we write 8 here, 1 this side. So this one is also done. Next time this 9 plus carry forward 1 is a 10. Next one 1111 square, 1111 square, 4 ones square. How we can do in seconds, that one also we'll see. Next we are taking 1 into 1, 1 into 1. This is a small number. We know 11 into 11 is 121. But we will try to apply the trick here. See how many digits we have here and here? 2 digit. So you write 1 as it is. The next number of 1 is 2. You have increased it, right? Then decrease it. Means the same number you write here. In simple language, you remember this one, right? Triangle. Here 1, then increase it 2, and then decrease it 1. So first you are increasing the number by number of digits. Here we have only 2 digits. So we are increasing up to 2 number. Then we are decreasing it. See. Okay, anyhow this is answer. Next one we will take triple 1 into triple 1. See here how many digits we have? 3 digits we have. So we write 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Next decrease. So this is a middle number. You write this number here. You write this number here. Isn't it easy? Next number. We take 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times means 4 digits we have. So how we will write? 4 times you increase the number till 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again decrease it. 3, 2, 1. Next number we take 5 numbers, 5 digit. So 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You put it this one as it is, you decrease it. Means you start writing the same numbers. But you may ask me, madam, there are the same digits multiplied by same digit, then you are writing in the same manner. But what if the digits are different? Appudu em cheyali? What if the digits are different? So we will see that number as well. We take 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits this side. Then what is the smallest number? The smallest number is, that is smallest digit is 4, right? You write up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go for the difference between these 2 digits. The difference between these 2 digits is 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1. So the last number is 4, right? You repeat the 4 last number by the difference. The difference is 4, right? Sorry, 1, right? So you repeat this 4 1 time. Then as it is. Then as it, sorry, not this one. Then as it is 3, 2, 1. Is it clear? Understandable, right? Next one. We will go to the next number. We will take another digit number. We will take this one 6 numbers. 6 digit. This one we take 3 times for getting our confusion mitigated. So here 6 times, here 3 times. What are the least digits? What is the least digit we have? Number 3 is the least digit. You write 1, 2, 3. The difference between these two is how much? 6 minus 3. Difference between these 2 digits is 3. So what is the last number? Last number is 3. So you repeat this last number by 3 times. It means this is a 0. Don't consider this one. 3 times you need to repeat this number. So 1, 2, 3. This one 3. This one 3. 3 times we are repeating. Then you decrease the numbers. Am I understandable? If you are liking our classes, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. And please support me as well. Okay. Next number we take 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Next this one 5 times. For better understanding. So what is the least digit? Least digit is, least digits 3. So you write 1, 2, 3. The difference between these two, 5 minus 3. The difference between these two is 2. So last number is 3, right? You repeat this 3 by 2 times. By 2 times. This is 0. This is not the repetition. This is 0. So repetition is this one. And then decrease. Right? Next I would like to tell you one thing. Take an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-digit number. So what we will do? 5 times, right? So same number, there is no confusion. 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next decrease 4, 3, 2, 1. If the question is given in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 under root, then how you will find out? You know, by seeing this question you will understand that this is a square of 11, means square or cube or something. 11 means 1 1 or 1 1 triple 1 or 4 ones, but we don't know how many ones. So what we can say, highest number is what? 5. So here also if you see, this is a 5. So I can say 5 times 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square. 5 square under root. So square and root gets cancelled. You can say the number is this one. If the question is given under root of this number, then you can say directly this is the 5 ones. I hope guys you found this lesson useful. If you found this lesson really useful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please share with your friends or colleagues, whoever is going for the competitive exams. In this channel actually we are conducting English classes as well as quant classes. Now recently we have introduced quant classes, but English classes we have posted so many lectures. Just please go and check the playlist. Okay, thank you for watching.